잘 지냈어요 모두 보고 싶었어 우리도 어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Salda from 10-11 grade. I will read about the narrative text entitled Magic Pumpkin. Long ago, in a village hidden in Grey Valley, there lived an old farmer named Pak Tono. Pak Tono is known as a farmer who is full of enthusiasm and always smiles. One day, while cleaning his field, Pak Tono found a very large and shiny pumpkin seeds. Without hesitation, he decided to plant the seeds in his fertile garden. One facet and the pumpkin seed grew into unimaginable giant pumpkin. The village community was amazed to see the miracle that grew in Mr. Tono garden. The giant pumpkin, with a bright orange color, looked very healthy and strong. The small village became famous because of the magical pumpkin that grew on Pak Tono land. One day, when Pak Tono was taking care of his pumpkin, which was getting bigger, suddenly a magical light appeared from the pumpkin. Then from the light a small creature overhead was spoke. "Hello, I'm Magic Pumpkin. Thank you for looking after and loving me, Mr. Tono." Mr. Tono was surprised and happy. "Impossible! Pumpkin can talk." Magic Pumpkin smiled. "I am Pumpkin gifted with magic. I want to be your friend and help this village." Since then, the Magic Pumpkin has become Pak Tono's loyal friend. Yellow Pumpkin has magical power that can help Pak Tono from become more fertile. Magic Pumpkin can also treat plant disease and prevent destructive pests. The small village prospered thanks to the help of the Magic Pumpkin. The Magic Pumpkin not only help agriculture but also provides entertainment for the villagers. They loving playing around the giant pumpkin, having picnics, and celebrating various festivals around Tono Garden. In the afternoon, Mr. Tono gathered all the residents in his garden and ordered the residents to ask the Magic Pumpkin on wish. The residents got what they wanted, but one of residents had bad intention towards Mr. Tono because he was jealous. That night, one of the residents who had bad intention carried out an action. He wanted to steal the pumpkin, but unfortunately, the magic pumpkin actually gave off a light inside him which woke up all the residents. In the afternoon, Mr. Tono wanted to visit the pumpkin patch, but what did he see? The pumpkin was dead and was sunlit. Mr. Tono was shocked because he found a machete next to the pumpkin. Mr. Tono very sad because the pumpkin he had been caring for had just died. News of the death of the magic pumpkin spread. All the residents came to Mr. Tono garden, as did one of the residents who had cut open the magic pumpkin. Mr. Tono asked, "We split the magic pumpkin with a machete." All the residents that if no one confessed, this village would experience a very devastating flood. One of the residents came forward and admitted to having killed the pumpkin. All the residents were angry, and so was Mr. Tono. The person who split the pumpkin must carry out his punishment if they doesn't want the village to be flooded. The person had to carry out the punishment. According to his actions, he had to leave the village and never return. Pak Tono brought a dead pumpkin and he and the resident would bury the pumpkin. A few minutes later, the magic pumpkin had been buried. After that, a very happy rain fell and the miracle came again. The magic pumpkin that had been buried grew into a very large tree and its leaves turned gold.
다름이 떠난다요 우리 모두 슬퍼